Well, hello everybody and welcome back. It's Jenny and we're at, well, where are we at? Does anybody know where we're at? Can you tell? Yes, it's a rainy day and we're at that Dollar General and we're checking out, wow, this 3-day sale, 50% off clearance, buy one, get one free. Okay, now both those things going on at the same time. Is it 50% off and buy one, get one free? Oh, I want to know. Do you want to know? Let's go in the store and find out. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, we're on a field trip, guys. And I'm Jenny. And you're at the Crazy Country Couponers channel. And, well, I call us that because, well, I live in the country. And what's in the country? Dollar General. And what is there to do at Dollar General? Well, coupon and save money. So that's what we do here. We coupon, we save money, we look out for each other, we say a prayer for each other, and we share. Okay? So if you want to be one of us, and I know you do, look below and hit that subscription button, that red thing down there, and that notification bell. Make sure it says all. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, or our free stuff, or awesome information, or great vibes. Just hanging out with some really great friends. And speaking of hanging out with great friends, make sure you read the comments. There's a lot of information in the comments, okay? Always read. And you might find a new friend, and you'll definitely find some different deals. Hey everybody, let's go in the store because I want to try to check out this 3-day sale to see if this stuff is going to stack. And I just don't want to get wet though. We're going to get a little wet getting in, I guess. I'll see you in the store. Okay guys, we're going to talk about this new coupon that just posted for this Purina Dog Chow, 12 pouches of soft bites. Okay, you've got a $9.95 coupon for this stuff. So they're $9.95 a piece. You have to buy two. So basically, buy one, get one. So this is an awesome deal. Now, if you need dog food, you could do that now. Okay, and save $10 pretty much. Or you could wait until Saturday and get an additional $5 off, because you're going to pick up these two items and an Airwick warmer for $4. Okay, and that's going to put you at $25, and you're going to get $5 off. You're technically going to get $18 off of a $25 purchase. So $6, and you will have two of these and an Airwick warmer. So really good deal. I was going to pick it up today, but they have plenty, so I'm going to wait until Saturday. And either I'm going to include it in a 10 off of 40, getting some soft bites and some Purina One cat food, because there is a earn for $3 off the Purina. No, excuse me, $2 off the Purina. We might do it that way. Okay, next up, let's talk about this $5 instant savings on the Arm & Hammer. And it's working on the cat litter. So if you're going to do cat litter and want to do the Arm & Hammer deal, it's a really easy deal. It's an in and out deal. You got a $3 off a $9 Arm & Hammer detergent. Pick that up. Pick you up the $12, $13 one, whichever one you want of these two. You'll be at your $20, and you'll get $8 off that transaction. Okay, so basically you'll be getting your laundry detergent for free, because you'll be paying like $12 and change. And that's the any day of the week deal. You can do that deal any day of the week. Now, we've got this Dentistix buy one, get one 50% off. And I think we have a coupon for them. I'm going to scan them and see if we do. Okay, I scanned these. There are buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy two, you save $1. So you're at $3.45. So you would be at right around $5 for two. And then you get $1 off. So you would be $4 for the two, or $2 a piece. And supposedly these things clean teeth. It's just a treat. Okay. Now let's talk about the summer sale. The 50% off, buy one get one free. It is a double deal. Okay, it is. So everything is 50% off, and if you buy one, you get one for free. So awesome deal. I picked up seeds, guys. Everyone needs to pick up some seeds, especially at this price. Never know what's going to happen. Never know what's going on. You always need these in your cupboard for emergencies. And if you're lucky and you have time, you can get them in the ground and get you some fresh veggies come spring. I got a couple of little knick-knacky things. And I think we're going to pick up some of these little dinner snacks. And we'll see exactly how that deal rolls. There is no coupons. It is just an offer. Okay, I've decided after looking at everything to go with the Cottonelle, because we've got $1 coupon for the Cottonelle. And even the Premium True Living is $4.25. So $4 is about the cheapest for this deal as I can get. And I don't need a whole lot of TP right now. Okay, next let's have a look at this deal. Okay, we've got a $3 off poise pads, and we do have them here in stock, and they're going to be $3.85. That's a really good deal. Don't forget, you've got your $5 earn on your Carefree pads down here, earn 5, and on your liners is earn 2. Now, just so you know, if you don't know, those Carefree pads are like, well, they're kind of like diapers. So if you need something like that, then that's going to work out great for you. Now let's talk about this right here. The Love's Jumbo Box of Diapers. We've got two high-end coupons for this. We got a $4 and a $5 on the 21, well, it says $21 in the app. It says $23 here. But for the Box of Love's diapers, okay, on Saturday, that's a really good coupon. Or if you need them now even, that's a really good coupon. So I'm going to scan one of these and see which coupons come up for these big boxes. Okay, on the Paw Patrols, these boxes right here, the $4 is attaching. We have a $5 off coupon, and we have a bigger box up top. How many is in this one? 92. We have a bigger box up top that is Paw Patrol also, and I can't get to that one. That may be the one that the $5 is attaching to. Yeah, those are smaller diapers and bigger boxes, so that may be the ones that those are attaching to. Alright guys, what all do I have in my buggy? Well, I opt to go ahead and get my Coke, because a lot of times by the time I get off on Saturday, it's gone. So, since it's buy two, pretty much get one free, or 3 for $15, which is better than buy two, get one free at the prices they have now, and a $1 off coupon, I picked that up today. I actually have need of this, so we picking this up today. This was a surprise. deal, and it's a good one, so we're going to pick this one up today. This is just because, guys, I'm getting me some trolleys, and I'm going to try these new Sour Neon Gummies Bears for $1. Super easy snack for me. We're going to pick up some cranberry grape Clover Valley juice. I've got somebody who needs some cranberry. And then, of course, our little knickknacks for our summer sale. And I know you're going, why not go till Saturday? Well, for one, like I said, I have to work, and I hate being rushed. And for the other, I've got $5 in spend money that I'm going to use just like my 5 off, okay? So, yep, I got $5 in spend money that I'm going to use just like my 5 off. And get this deal. Because, like I said, it's stuff that I can use right now. And if you need deals any day of the week, all you got to do is come and hang out here. And, well, I can show you deals that you can do any day of the week, as well as on Saturday. So, guys, thank you for going shopping with me. But I did want to share with you one quick deal, okay? Just in case. Now, Dollar General has switched a lot of our game coupons to the DG store coupons, okay? So it's making it really tough to reach that $30 threshold that they be throwing out there for $5 off, right? Because we have a bunch of clashing DG store coupons. Well, right now we have a really quick and easy deal, and I really do not see the ginormous product. It's $18.95. Oh, they do have one way back there. If you purchase the $18.95, you get a $9.95 for free. Okay? That's right at $28. Now, that's a store coupon. Even though this one shows it working with the 5 off 25, the other's not working with the 5 off 25. So if you need you some Gain detergent, and you buy that great big old giant thing anyway, on Saturday, go ahead and do the $18 one and pick this one up, because your coupon is for buy one, get one free. Okay, it is a store coupon. You'll be at $28. You'll need a couple more dollars for it to kick in at the newer operating system stores. But there's several things that you can get to go with that. You can get some Febreze to go with that. Now, you will need, another Gain product. And my suggestion would be, some Gain dryer sheets for $2.25. Again, thanks for shopping with me. And I'll see you out in the car and let you know how much money we spent. Okay, guys, we're out in the car. My out-of-pocket ended up being a little bit much because I did add those 3 12-packs of Coke to it. And on my way out, I also picked up the giant tennis ball. Yep, I've got a dog friend that's going to love that giant tennis ball. But it was also 50% off. So I ended up with the tennis ball, the cotton nail. I also picked up some cranberry juice, the 2 dentist sticks, the 2 candies, the 2 little knickknacks, and the vegetable seeds, and my 3, well, I already said the 3 12-packs. Okay. And, of course, my out-of-pocket was $29.72 after I used my $5 spend money. Now, I know you're like, $29, man, that's a lot. Why? I explained why I didn't wait till Saturday. But, yes, I feel like I should have made the effort now, but it is what it is, guys. I needed some of this stuff now. So, my savings, however, was $14.73 was my savings for this transaction, which is really, really good. Now, we got 51 items all total, and that's because we count the individual cans of soda because they sell them right across the street. I know exactly how much they charge, 99 cents a piece. So we have something to gauge them against, so we count them. And with this transaction being $29.72 and us having 51 items, that equaled out to 58 cents an item. And let me tell you, even with the seeds, that's a winner chicken dinner kind of deal. So there you go. Blessings. Go out and check out your local Dollar General. That buy one get one free, 50% off sale, 3 days only. Go check some of that out. You might find you something that you need. And for sure, everybody needs some veggie seeds. So blessings. I'll see you again real soon.